Hello everyone, welcome to another piano video on the Knowledge Chest, the place where music meets accessibility. In today's video, we're going to learn how to play the E-flat major chord on the piano with both hands. This lesson is designed for beginners and blind individuals, so feel free to follow along at your own pace. Let's start by finding the E-flat note. The E-flat is the second black key in the group of two black keys located to the left of the white E key. Now to find the G note, count 3 white keys to the right of E-flat. These are E, F, and then G. Next, let's find the B-flat. Move over to the group of 3 black keys, and the B-flat is the last black key in that group. For your right hand, place your thumb on E-flat, your middle finger on G, and your pinky on B-flat. Now for your left hand, place your pinky on E-flat, your middle finger on G, and your thumb on B-flat. That's the E-flat major chord with both hands. Take your time practicing, and once you're comfortable, play the chord smoothly. If you want to hear how the chord sounds, you can check the link in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. If you'd like to support my channel so I can continue making content and offering better services to the blind, you can check out the PayPal link in the description or in the About section of my bio. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next video.